Repeat users judge Brigit less by the first download, and more by whether the app continues to fit their everyday money habits over time. After using Brigit repeatedly, the biggest changes users notice usually come from familiarity, routine, and whether the app continues to provide useful information when they need it. The first thing to evaluate is the day-to-day experience. A financial app has to be easy to return to because people usually check money tools when they need a quick answer. If the app feels simple to navigate and the information is clear, it becomes easier to include in a regular routine. For repeat users, the question changes from, "Does this app look interesting?" to "Does this actually help me manage my money better?" The second area is consistency. A one-time test does not always show how useful a financial app can be. Using Brigit over a longer period gives you a better idea of whether the app matches your personal needs, and whether you continue finding value from it. Some users may find that an app becomes more useful when it becomes part of their regular money routine. Other users may realize they are not using it enough to justify keeping it. The difference comes down to how the app fits into your own financial habits. The third thing to check is whether your needs have changed. A tool that was useful during one period of your life may not provide the same value later. Before continuing with any financial app, compare what you actually use with what you expected when you first signed up. A good repeat user review focuses on 3 questions. Do you open the app regularly? Does it make managing money easier? Does it provide enough value for your current situation? The biggest takeaway is that long-term usefulness matters more than the first impression. Brigit's value for repeat users depends on how well it fits into their personal financial routine and whether they continue using the tools available. The practical next step is to review your own Brigit usage history and decide which parts of the app you actually use. For more app reviews that focus on real user experience, like the video and subscribe.